Hey Flutter devs, welcome back to BLoC Mistakes, the series where we fix one common mistake at a time. Here's a mistake that makes your app harder to test, scale, and maintain. It's hard-coding dependencies directly into your BLoC. You might see coding like this. Looks fine, right? But now your BLoC is locked to that one API service implementation. You can't mock it in a test, you can't swap it in a fake, a dev version, or an offline version. And any change to API service could ripple through your BLoC. This is a tight coupling, it breaks separation of concerns. Here's how you fix it. Now, your BLoC doesn't care where the service comes from, it just uses it. Your test can pass it in a mock, your app can swap in a different implementation, your code is more maintainable and future-proof. A bonus tip: use a dependency injection solution like Git or a provider to manage your service instance at scale. It keeps your BLoC clean and focused, just logic and state. This was a mistake number 10 in a BLoC Mistakes series. Follow for more deep Flutter tips.